Need to stock the mini fridge, but want to wipe it out first because it's got some spills in it. This is empty. Why is that even in the fridge? This is an empty plate. Ah, that might be what you wanted. Go that way. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I emptied out the mini fridge and I'm starting to wipe it down. Rex is still trying to check to see if there's anything else in there. Let's bring the fridge down to wipe it out. Bring down the glass shelf inside the fridge. Why is it so hot even in the fridge? Oh! 1, 2, 3. Go! Help me again. 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, go! Here you go, buddy. Move your hands. 1, 2, 3, go! This is the mini fridge before. And here it is, clean and restocked.